CodeIgniter is a popular open-source PHP framework used to build web applications. It's known for its simplicity, speed, and ease of use, making it a favorite among both beginner and experienced developers. In this review, we'll dive into the core features of CodeIgniter, from installation to advanced functionality. Getting started with CodeIgniter is relatively simple, as it provides a straightforward setup. Once you download the framework from the official website, you can easily integrate it into your development environment. The installation process is quick, with clear documentation available, and you'll have your first app up and running in no time. CodeIgniter's architecture is designed around the MVC, Model View Controller, pattern, which helps organize your code, making it easier to maintain and scale. It also has excellent support for database interaction, routing, and templating, giving developers flexibility and control over their projects. Many developers appreciate CodeIgniter for its lightweight nature, which helps it run faster than some other PHP frameworks. It doesn't have all the built-in features of more complex frameworks like Laravel, but this minimalism allows developers to add only what they need, keeping projects lean and efficient. Its performance is one of the standout features that make it a go-to choice for many small to medium-sized projects. The documentation is comprehensive and user-friendly, a key feature for any framework. With CodeIgniter, you can easily find answers to your questions and resolve issues, which is essential for both new and seasoned developers. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These resources could help you with additional development tools and learning materials. For anyone considering using CodeIgniter for their next project, it's worth noting that while the framework doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of some competitors, it strikes a good balance between simplicity and functionality. It's especially useful for projects where speed, flexibility, and ease of maintenance are key priorities. CodeIgniter's community is active, so you'll find plenty of forums and support channels where you can get help. Additionally, there are various add-ons and packages that extend its functionality, allowing developers to customize it further. In conclusion, CodeIgniter is an excellent choice for developers who value simplicity and speed. It may not be as feature-packed as some other frameworks, but its lightweight design, ease of use, and strong community make it a solid option for many PHP projects. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest, in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for watching.